Welcome to Rani Channel. And today's I'm going to show you how to make quotes book. It is going to be small, so first take white color sheet or any color. If you want to make any other color sheet, you can take any other color sheet also, and homemade colorable link is in description. So it will fold like this way, guys. I'm going to show you, I'm showing you only. So remember to like this video, share with your friends and family, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, or also comment suggestions or anything about this video. And also guys, after 1000 subscribers by 31st of 2021, I'll be doing my festival video. But if I don't, it is October 14, I haven't got 900,000. How will I get 1000 by October 31st? If I don't get the video, wait for the special video. So guys, you can see I've done it, and then you have to cut it into pieces, but I forgot to cut. I'm writing my quotes book. So this is gonna be the cover, so you have to write it, but first have to cut it into pieces, then you have to write it up. Okay, I have to cut it in pieces and stick them together and then write. I forgot to cut only, so I will cut it afterwards. I'm writing with the help of a blue ink pen. So after that I will write, I will cut this paper into pieces. Okay, you can see I have took a scissor. Yeah, scissors. I took my scissors, and yeah, homemade scissors link is in the description box. And after, guys, I'm just saying that if I don't get 1000 subscribers by October 2021, it will be very for a special video. And also guys, after 1 lakh subscribers, I'll be doing my Q&A part 2 with face reveal. If you haven't seen my Q&A part 1, no problem, you can check it out. Link is in the description box. And also guys, after 1 million subscribers, I'll be doing how I did my videos. So guys, I've got them cut. I think it's now time to stick them together. So I'll be using my shoutout for sticking them. You can use glue also, and if you're using glue, then but if you use glue, then you can check out my homemade glue video. It is in the link is in the description box. So guys, you have created, yeah, I was telling that after 1 million subscribers, I'll be doing a video on how I edit my videos. And also guys, I've created some playlists. If you haven't seen them, no problem, you can check it them, you can check them out to the links in the description box. I gave all the links of everything. You can just check them out in one click. Okay, so I have stick them together, and after you stick, I have to write my quotes book or whatever quotes book, anything you want to write. Okay, so I'm sticking it only, but I have wrote it beforehand only. It's not a problem. And guys, I was telling that I'll be writing the quote from I will getting it from Google, and after I got it from Google, I will write it. So I've got some pictures only, and some of them I took I can search them and I got them. Okay, so for writing, I'm shaping the book now, so the other part I'm cutting them out. I will throw it in the dustbin. And yes, I was telling that I have done the cover with I've wrote my quotes book with the help of blue ink, and now I'm writing the quotes. I've started writing, so that I'm using black ink. So you can use any different color inks also, like you can use glitter glitter pen also you can use. It's not a problem, whatever you think you can use it, whatever you like. Okay, so I've got these from Google, and in these you can see some of them I'm getting arrows, means this have continued. Okay, so yes, my quotes book is ready, and I'm going to show you all. So it is a new day, and like all these I've started writing, and I've completed them writing, guys. You can get what you give, means you get what you give. Then life is a one time offer, leave it well. you can't go back and something like that I've wrote. Until you value yourself, you won't value your time. Until you value your time, you will not do anything with it. Mistakes are painful, but it's time. And I've wrote some them, you can get them from Google. You are never too old to set. Instead of choosing to live very rarely, this is the older I live. I wrote like these all. Okay, so speeded up the video so that it won't take that much of time. Otherwise, if you guys get bored, right? That okay. So then our quotes book is ready, and so I hope it is nice. Mine has got a bit of small. You can make big only. Big quotes book also, it's not a problem. Then it will be nice. It will look awesome. Okay, so it's not a problem. You can get like this. I'm writing. So guys, I've completed showing it, and so thanks for watching, thanks for help and support. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. You haven't seen these videos? Why? I think you haven't checked out my channel, but no problem, you can check them now. These two videos, go check now. Bye.